These are my lemon trees. I sowed their seeds 7 months ago in late November, and I kept them over winter. For that reason, they are a little bit small. Here in Montreal, winter is long and we don't have too much sun, so it's normal to be small. But look at them. Roots are happy, but this pot is way small for these two plants. So I will divide them into two pots, each plant in one pot, so they will have more space to grow. Look at roots. Roots are happy, nice, and well grown. So there is a need for bigger space. The only thing you need is a potting mix. I'm combining it with the 20 or 30% perlite. Just you need to transfer plant there and make sure they are tight and nicely placed in the pot, and add water, and let's see what's happened. If you want to learn how I saw the seeds and how I took care of them during winter, watch next 2 minutes that I will provide more details on this topic. Directly sowing them in a potting mix. So here I'm using just general potting mix, add a little bit more perlite. So you need to make a holes around 1 centimeter or half an inch and put seed there directly and cover it very well. So you need 1 centimeter or half an inch and cover seed very well. Okay, I'll sow all 5 seeds here. It's easy peasy. Okay, you need to give enough water. Keep in mind always this potting mix should be moist, and put it in a warm place without direct sunlight. So here is the result after 40 days. You can see it's so happy and nicely grown. They are not very big, but happy ones. How to take care of them: keep potting mix moist but not too wet, and also keep in a place should be warm, not very cold. I'm using these small LED lights that you can see result is pretty nice. Finally, this is the results after 3 months. If they look a little bit small, it's normal because here in Canada it's winter is long, so it's quite normal to be a little bit smaller, but it's time to transfer them to new pots and see what will happen for them.